Do you ever look in the mirror and feel like your skin just looks tired, dull, patchy, and lifeless, even after a full night's sleep? Here's the disturbing truth. Environmental toxins, stress, and poor diet are quietly suffocating your skin's natural glow every single day. But hey, with just 3 natural kitchen ingredients, you could revive your face and make it look fresh, radiant, and glowing in just minutes. Hey everyone, welcome back to Essential Cures, where beauty meets nature and healing starts at home. If you're tired of lifeless skin and want that instant fresh glow, you're in the right place. Stay with us, because today, we are sharing one of our favorite instant glow face packs made with organic coffee powder, chickpea flour, and water. Simple, safe, and so effective, it's like giving your skin a wake-up call from nature herself. All you need is 1 teaspoon organic coffee powder, 1 tablespoon chickpea flour, besan, enough clean water to form a smooth paste. You can also use rose water or milk for added benefit. Organic coffee powder is packed with antioxidants that fight free radicals and instantly brighten dull skin. Stimulates blood flow to the face, giving you that awake and refreshed look. Gently exfoliates, removing dead skin cells and unclogging pores. Chickpea flour, besan, a traditional skincare hero in many cultures. It deep cleanses and removes excess oil without drying out your skin. Helps reduce tan, even out skin tone, and gently tightens the skin for a smoother texture. Water, or rose water, hydrates your skin naturally. Acts as the perfect base to blend and carry the active compounds into your pores. If using rose water, it adds a calming and anti-inflammatory effect. How to use it? In a bowl, mix 1 tablespoon of organic coffee powder, 1 tablespoon of chickpea flour. Slowly add water to create a smooth, spreadable paste. Apply a thin layer evenly on clean face and neck, avoiding the eyes and lips. Let it sit for 10 to 15 minutes. Don't let it crack completely. Wet your fingers and gently massage in circular motions before rinsing off with cool water. Pat dry and follow up with your favorite moisturizer. You'll notice your skin feels instantly brighter, tighter, and so much smoother, and best of all, it's chemical-free. But here's the thing, glowing skin doesn't only come from what you put on it. It also depends on what you feed your body. Hydrate daily, eat more whole fruits and greens, avoid excess sugar, and get quality sleep. Your skin is a mirror of your internal health. No face pack, no matter how powerful, can glow through a toxic lifestyle. So while this face pack gives you an instant glow, let it be a reminder to also nourish your skin from within. That's how true beauty lasts. Have you ever tried coffee or besan on your face before? Let us know in the comments which ingredient your skin loves the most.